When you arrive in a network marketing company, you start to create your own scheme of product promotion, inviting and training new distributors. Your income consists of sales volume that you've personally created, plus a % of sales made by your distributor network. The network company record-keeping system tracks your activity to pay you commission accordingly. The level of your income depends just on your managerial capabilities. It is possible for you to earn more money than the distributor which brought you to the organization or any other distributor who has been working within the company for much longer. Graphically, this structure looks like the pyramid turned upside down, and the number of places at the top is not limited. Properly speaking, the term effective management is more applicable to network marketing.